La 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 la. La 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 la. Kaya mo yan, Filipina Joy. You can do it. You can do that. Para sa sahod. Mm-mm. Medyo ano pa naman yung mga sahod natin, 'di ba? Kasi nung nag-Christmas, maraming nagbigay. Maraming nagpa-gift nung Christmas. Sana may time ako dahil may work kasi ako. Agoy, yun pa ay iwan. Law nga pala. Humingi ka ng ID sa work mo. Naka 400 ako. Naka 400 ka last month? Wow, ang laki na nun, hoy. I see your subscribe have started increasing again after being flat for a month. Yeah, exactly. How much na? How many now? How many subscriber now? Hey, you there? Yeah, last month, 2 months, it was freezing. My 1 month disaster. November was disaster month for me. Disaster month for me, November. And December, yay. Oh yeah, it is before I started. And December, actually it's the same, the subscriber, but the earnings started up, the views started up this end of the month, last end of the month. Started to grow up again because and I decide to stay more time here in YouTube. I don't care about hello Paula hoping today. Yeah, I still fall. Later I will do outside, not here inside my house. I cannot move. I will check later if the people are gone there. Outside, they are having some, I don't know what, meeting. We will do hula hoop, okay? Just wait. Daddy, hopefully this month I will try to reach 37. This week, 37. I wanna die, la la la. Hi, hello Hussein. Double tap the screen, guys. Uncle Skin, hula hopping today. Can you give me mod? Sorry, Hussein. Moderator is only for super sticker sender. You mean 38? Yeah, 38. I mean 38. We will reach 38 this week. La 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 la. Every day I love you. Sa akin hindi na umaalis sa 19.1. Kasi Pilipina Joy, parang pinapagdaanan talaga natin yan. Parang lahat naman tayo. Pinagdadaanan yung parang marami kang views, tapos wala kang views. Parang nakaka-drain din kaya, pero you keep going lang talaga. You need, do not, give up. You just keep working day by day. Kahit may views ka o wala, it's fine. May super sticker sender ka o wala, it's fine. Kasi pagdadaanan talaga natin yan. Yung mga YouTuber na yan, hindi naman yan dumaan yung malalaking YouTuber na. Hindi yan dumaan sa madali. Parang dumaan din yan sila sa hirap. Kaya I can say is, just keep going. Kahit hindi mag-increase. Sa akin, 2 months talaga, freeze talaga. As in, 37. Hirap nga ako mga 37 nun eh. Hirap nga ako. Nag-ano ako sa 36. Stuck up ako sa 36. Hindi ako makaano-ano. Araw-araw ako nagla-live. Do you have a pit chicken? No, I don't have pit chicken. The last ask for mode looks like a minor. Yeah. Yung parang parang okay lang yan. Dumaan din naman so walang viewers, 1 or 2. Ay, hindi talaga ako nagpapatay ng stream. Hinayaan ko talaga. Hindi ako nagpapatay ng stream. Wala akong viewers. Now, parang it's okay. Double tap the screen, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.